Come on, cowgirl, climb on in this truck.
This dance is called Come On Cowgirl, C''M''O''N, by myself, Joshua Talbot, Stephen Paterson and Tina Argyle. 32 counts, 2-wall dance. There are 3 tags. They all fall on the back wall. We do a 4-count, a 4-count and a 2-count tag. We're going to run through the whole dance, first with the words all the way through, then with the counts, and then I'm going to break it down section by section. You can jump ahead at any time using the fast forward button or the chapters if you're up on YouTube. Anyway, face the front with me. Let's run through the whole dance with the words first, then the counts. Weights on your left foot. We're going to run through the whole thing first, stepping on the right, step, mambo forward, sweep, back with a quarter, turn, hitch your left knee up, rock back on your left, recover, and a chase 3/4 side. Behind, step, cross shuffle with the right, extra cross rock with the right. Recover, cross step with a left, and a scissor and 1/8. Walk, and 1/8, and samba quarter, turn, cross side, diamond, back side, forward right. Now rock with a half, your mambo half turn, lock, shuffle back, step, coaster with your left, step forward and back with a little cross. Now that last part is your little curtsy behind, and then the hook it over, slight touch if you wish, just don't bring it up to your knee. Weights on your left foot, stepping forward. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and. As I mentioned earlier, there are 3 tags. They all happen on the back wall after wall 1, 3 and 5. It's a 4-count, a 4-count and a 2-count tag. Face the front with me. We're going to run through the 4-count tag. You've simply finished the dance with a tap and a cross. We're going to add a 4-count weave, cross with your left and behind with your right, and that's your tag. Step forward on the right as you sweep your left foot around, ready to weave, cross, side, back as you sweep around, ready to weave, behind, side. The count: 1, 2 and 3, 4 and that's your 4-count tag that happens twice, end of wall number 1 and 3 at the back wall. Now end of wall 5, we have a 2-count tag. It's your instrumental wall. Now once you finish again, you've done your little cross. Now the tag is simply a rock forward and recover, 1, 2. Now it is a little easier if you just pick up the opposite foot for each rock and each recover, 1, 2, and that way you're ready to go into it. So when you finish up, step, tap, step, cross, 1, 2, and then you start the dance again. To finish, you'll be facing the back wall. We do the scissor step and the walk around, and we're just going to keep walking around. Scissor step, walk, 2, 3, 4, 5 to take you to the front. We're going to run over this dance now section by section, so each section has 8 counts. Face the front, we're going to do section 1, section 2, section 3. I may bring you back to the front wall depending on which section we're up to, just so you can watch from my back view rather than trying to look over your shoulder. So let's face the front, we'll go through section 1. We're going to run through section 1 first with the words, and then we'll go back over it again with the count. Right foot's going to lead for this dance. We step forward, right. Using your left, we're going to mambo forward, push, recover, step on the left. Now you're going to sweep the same time you step back. Step, mambo with the sweep, ready to weave behind quarter turn. Step the right foot behind, quarter turn to the left. Step your right foot forward, and you're going to stylishly hitch that left knee up. Now what we want to avoid for this part is bring your knee forward, because you're going to momentumly come back a little too far. So hitch it up, kind of keep that left foot back, and then rock, recover, keeping your right toe connected to the floor. So this section again, stepping forward, right, mambo step with a sweep, quarter turn and hitch, up, rock back on your left, recover your weight to your right foot. To finish up first section, we're going to chase a 3/4 turn or a quick pivot 3/4 turn, round to the back, and you step on your left foot. It is an 8 and 1, so technically you're into section 2. So that last part, once you've done your hook, hitch, back rock, slow recover, chase, turn, side. Let's face the front. We're going to go through one more time with the count. Nice and slow, right foot leading. We step 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. We're into section number 2. However, we're going to turn around and face the front for this one, just so you can see what needs to happen. For wall 1, you will be facing the back for section 2. Weight is already on your left foot. So face the front with me. You've done your chase 3/4 turn. Now for section 2, we're going to step the right foot behind, starting with count 2. Left foot goes to the side. Now right foot, we're going to do a bit of a cross shuffle with an extended cross. Cross, step together, cross, step together, cross rock, recover your weight. Now that cross shuffle, cross rock is all happening to the left and to the right motion. Cross and rock, recover your weight, step to the right and cross step your left foot over. Now that one's not a rock, it is just a simple step. Now to finish up section 2, we're going to go to a scissor step, side, bring your left foot together as you make an 1/8 of a turn to the left. And again, it's an 8 and 1. So we step forward with your right foot, taking you into our third section, which is the start of our walk around. Come back to the front. We're going to run through one more time with the words. Weights on our left foot, right foot's going behind. We step behind, side, cross cross rock. Recover, side cross step, and you sither an 1/8 forward. Let's go one more time with the count. Weights on your left, right foot behind. 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1. Face the back wall. We're going to practice this direction as well, just so when you put it together, you can look over your shoulder. Weights on our left foot, right foot's going to step behind into your weave and a cross shuffle. Right foot leading, behind, side, cross and rock. Recover with a cross step and your scissor step an 1/8 for 8 and 1. For our third section, we're going to bring it back to the front again so you can see what needs to happen. Now you should be technically on wall 1 facing your 4:30 if you're doing your clock face, or the back corner of the room. Face the front with me. We're going to do the last step of section 2, which is our scissor step, 8, and we have already stepped forward 1. Now just come back from 1, do the first 2 counts of that scissor, 8, and. Now for section 3, we're going to walk around into the corner, a nice generous step with the right foot. We then do an 1/8 of a turn, stepping left foot forward. We do a further 1/8 of a turn as we step the right foot forward. That is the start of your samba step. So we rock left, recover your weight. 3 and 4 is your count there. So once we do our scissor step, 8 and walk, samba out to the side. Don't overturn your body. Try not to do that samba into a bit of a paddle turn or a pivot turn. Leave it to the side. Try it one more time. Scissor step to get you into the motion, and walk on the right, walk on the left, samba step to the side. Now the second part of section 3 is a diamond. It's all quick count. 5 and 6 and 7, 8 to finish. The step is crossing your left over your right, keeping your body straight. we step to the right. There's no turn. Now to the left, an eighth of a turn, and we're going to walk back, left, right, to the left again, an eighth of a turn. We step to the left, then we step forward on your right foot to finish up this section. Now remember, the diamond is 5 and 6 and 7, 8. So left foot goes across, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Let's do this whole section again. Scissor step to take you out of section 2 into section 3. Step together, walk, walk, and your samba to the side, cross, side, back, back, side, forward. Let's do it again with the count this time. Again, using our scissor step to lead you into section 3. Out to the right for 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Let's face the back wall. This is where it's going to happen for wall number 1, and then we'll finish it up. Weights on your left foot. We're going to go into our scissor step now. I'll count you in. Ready for your scissor. 7, 8. Scissor step an eighth. Walk and walk and samba to the side. Your diamond, cross, side, back, back, side, forward. Last section of the dance. Again, we're going to bring you back to the front so you can see what needs to happen, and then we'll turn you around to the back. So face the front with me. This is the fourth section, the last section of the dance. You've come out of your diamond, weights forward, right foot. That's count 8. There's no 8 and 1 this time. Now for count 1 and 2, we're going to do a mambo forward with a half turn or a rock, recover, half. So rock, recover, half step. For 3 and 4, we're going to keep turning left as we do a lock shuffle back. We're going to break it down with a quarter turn side, cross your left foot over as you start to make a quarter turn, and then a further quarter back with the right foot. To finish up, we go into a coaster step, left together, forward, and then step forward on your right into a curtsy touch behind, step back with your left, and we're going to cross the right foot in front. Now you can choose to do a hook or a touch or both. What we want to avoid though for this one is hooking up at your knee. Forward, curtsy, back, keep it low, and we start again. Face the front. Let's do the last 8 counts. Mambo half, shuffle half. So using your left foot, rock, recover, half pause, with a step, cross and back, with a coaster step on the left, forward, tap, back, cross. Let's do it again with the count. Left foot's going to lead, rocking forward. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, and. Face the back. Let's do it here. Weights on our right foot. Using our left, we're going to rock forward, recover with a half turn. Left foot leading and rock, recover, half turn. Quarter, cross, quarter is your lock, coaster step with a left, forward, tap with a curtsy, and back with a cross. Try it again with the count. Put the weight onto your right foot, left foot leading, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, and.